everyone, here is your weekly update on events that are taking place within our church. October is Pastor Appreciation Month. We want to always make it a point to show each of our pastors appreciation for their dedication and love that they show us. Please take this month to give them some sign of appreciation for all of their hard work and dedication to our congregation. Our young adult ministry, Journey, would love to have you join them at the Webster Parish Fair on Tuesday, October 1st at 6 p.m. Please see Pastor Brandon for more information. First Kids will be in the sanctuary during the morning service on Sunday, October 6th to take up the quarterly BGMC offering. So remember to start collecting your coins now. The next Women of Grace meeting will be held on Tuesday, October 8th at 6:30 p.m. at Olive Garden in Bossier. All women are invited to attend and enjoy a great time of fellowship. If you have any questions, please see Sister Lynn Baldry. The next First Men's Group meeting will be on Monday, October 14th at 6 p.m. at the main campus. A meal will be provided and all men are invited to attend. If you have any questions, please see Pastor D. Sunday, October 20th is the Louisiana Adult and Teen Challenge Clothing Drive. There will be a designated location for your drop-off of these items. Please see Sister Becky if you have any questions. And that's your weekly update. We hope that you have a great week.